Do you ever ponder about foods that defy the odds and never expire? Today, we'll explore 10 such culinary marvels that stand the test of time. First on our list is honey. This golden elixir, revered since ancient times, is a natural preservative. Its low moisture content and acidic pH create an inhospitable environment for bacteria and microorganisms. Thus, honey, when stored properly, can remain edible for centuries. Archaeologists have even discovered pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are still perfectly good to eat. Next, let's turn our attention to salt. An essential mineral, salt has been used for millennia not just for seasoning, but also for preserving food. Its power to dehydrate bacteria and fungi allows it to prevent spoilage, making it last indefinitely when kept dry. White rice, in its polished form, also belongs to this exclusive club. When properly stored in a cool, dark place, white rice can maintain its taste and nutritional value for up to 30 years. However, bear in mind that this does not apply to brown rice, as its higher oil content makes it susceptible to rancidity. Another timeless food is sugar. Similar to salt, sugar's preservative abilities stem from its ability to suck the water out of any organism that might want to call it home. Pure granulated sugar, when stored in an airtight container, can last indefinitely. Our fifth entry is pure maple syrup. When sealed and unopened, it can last indefinitely due to its high sugar content. Once opened, refrigeration can help prolong its life. Now, let's talk about cornstarch. This thickening agent is a staple in many kitchens, and when kept dry, can stay fresh indefinitely. It's a handy ingredient to have around, especially knowing it won't go bad. Next up is distilled white vinegar. Its high acidity levels make it self-preserving and almost invincible. Whether you're using it for cooking, cleaning, or home remedies, you can count on vinegar to last. Soy sauce, when unopened, can also last indefinitely. Its high salt content and fermentation process make it a self-preserving condiment. Even after opening, it can last a good while when refrigerated. Our ninth contender is dried beans. While they may lose their freshness and take longer to cook over time, dried beans never truly spoil if stored in a cool, dry place. Finally, we have powdered milk. While its liquid counterpart has a short shelf life, powdered milk can last for years if kept cool and dry. It's a convenient and long-lasting alternative for many dairy needs. So there we have it, 10 foods that defy the ticking clock: honey, salt, white rice, sugar, pure maple syrup, cornstarch, distilled white vinegar, soy sauce, dried beans, and powdered milk. Each of these items, when properly stored, can remain safe and edible for an incredibly long time, some even indefinitely. So the next time you're stocking up your pantry, consider these timeless foods. They'll not only serve you well in a pinch, but also stand as fascinating reminders of nature's incredible preservative powers.